everyone. Today, you will learn how to check your CPD units earned in PRC. Let's get started. First thing is you will go to the web page bar and you will key in google.com. After that, when you will see the Google, you will go to the search bar and then you will type CPDAS PRC. And after that, you will be directed to the CPDAS Professional Regulation Commission. You have to click that, so you will be directed to their page. After you click the PRC CPDAS, you will see the privacy notice and you have to click close. Then you will see PRC data privacy notice, continuing professional development accreditation system. Just scroll down the arrow, the right side, and you will see this notice and just click I have read. After that, you'll be directed again to the CPDAS page and you will just click get started. After clicking the get started, you will see three choices. First one is accredited programs. Second, apply as CPD provider. Third is professional registration. So just click professional registration. Then after that, you will see continuing professional development accreditation system, the terms of service. Then all you have to do is just scroll down the arrow, the right side again. Then you will see I hereby agree to be governed by the terms and conditions. Just click yes, I have read. After clicking the notice, you will be directed to the personal information page. So you will just have to complete these details. Then there were optional also. So you just have to match the details in your PRC records. Then after that, scroll down the arrow and you will see this source of information about CPDAS website. So just have to click the drop down arrow and you will have the choices, the PRB/CPD Council orientation, CPD division orientation, attendance to CPD program, PRC website, LYRIS website, and others. So you just have to click attendance to CPD program. Or you could have PRC website or others. So it's up for you to choose which one informs you. So after that, you have to click next. Then again, you will see this information. You have to put or you have to type your email address, your chosen email address, and then you have to make your own password. Then click next. Then all your information that you typed will be seen in this picture. So you have to check it if the details are all correct. And then after that, you click submit application. Then after that, you will be logged out to the page and then you will see this picture. You have to type your email and then your password. Ta-da! When you logged in, you will see the dashboard and you will see all the programs that you attended. You have the seminars, the conferences, and all the things that you attended that are accredited to the PRC CPDAS or the CPD units that you earned. You will see it all here in the dashboard. So do not forget, after you saw all the records, you have to log out your account for safety purposes. So that's for today. Be safe. And then that's all. Thank you.